Hey, I'm Victor Alpha 5 Mike Uniform Delta, and welcome. Hey, I'm just at a POTA park here today, and it's kind of a rare one. Not really many people have actually just won another activation. It's Charlie Alpha 6343. Turn it around here. And this is the South Branch House. So there is some Saskatchewan history. It's actually quite far back. We're looking at from 1786 to 1794. The Hudson Bay Company operated this fur trading post. So somewhere in here used to be a house. And I guess there are some artifacts buried in here somewhere. Not going to go digging around or anything, but I don't know exactly where they are. But I'm guessing somewhere in here where it's kind of cleared out, we got ourselves some history. So this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. So what kind of fur? Well, of course, it's from, we're in Canada, Saskatchewan. It's going to be the good old beaver. And there's some still some activity of beaver around here. Just looking in, besides a couple beer cans, this is probably a party zone. We got ourselves right there. Check that out. Yeah, it's there is some beaver activity. So we're gonna play some POTA, and I'm not gonna bore you guys with all the stuff. I'm gonna be using my 10-meter Hamstick on the back of the POTA rig. Inside the cab here, we got ourselves our 891. A bunch of garbage, battery boxes down there. Oh, it's gonna be great. 10 meters is rocking right now, so why not? Well, here we go. Here's the view on the edge of the river. Little south. What are we at? We are at the South Saskatchewan River. That's where we're at. All right, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna go play some radio.